All right, here's my disclaimer. I'm gonna make it really quick because you should know what the deal is. I'm not a professional, I am not a doctor, I am not a nurse, I'm not certified. I am just going to pierce myself and I'm gonna pierce it on camera. Trigger warning, there will be a needle, there will be blood. It is what it is. If you don't wanna see it, don't watch this video, obviously. And don't even give me any nasty negative comments below because I'm just gonna delete them. Because I don't care because it's my body and I'm a grown-ass woman and I can do whatever I want to my body. So yeah. Okay, so I wasn't really sure if I wanted to film this. So yeah, this is a really bad angle, but oh well. I don't know. Is that better? No. I'm just gonna pierce my cartilage. I washed my hands and everything. Everything is out and it's sanitized. My ear has been sanitized with alcohol and I have a little marking on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna pierce it real quick. I've been wanting to do this, but I've been putting it off because cartilage piercings are just such a bitch. Like, they're just so annoying to heal. So I've been putting it off, but I think I'm ready now. So here's my 14 gauge needle. And I'm gonna use this cork, which I sanitized, like I put alcohol. This is just to have something, you know, to like push it up against. It just is gonna make it a lot easier. And yeah, we're just gonna do this right now. Hopefully. Ooh, boy, that hurt. That hurt more than the septum, like way, way, way more. I can't tell. Am I all the way through? Yeah, I am. Okay. Ooh, girl, that one hurt. Ugh. I hate cartilage piercing. Like, I hate getting them done and having the healing process. And then once they're healed, it's fine. But so this is a 16 gauge little. I can't tell if I'm. The hardest part is going to be getting this in here. I feel like I need. Oh. Spray a little bit. Ooh, that feels better. I'm trying to get this in there so I can slide it through. Okay, there we go. Okay. That was pretty okay. Oh, we're bleeding now. Oh. I think I forgot to bring Q-tips over here. Hold on. All right, don't be alarmed, guys, because it always looks worse than it feels when it comes to cartilage piercings. They bleed a lot, or at least I do. Like my septum, it did bleed a little bit, but this one is definitely more. It was like dripping down my ear. But yeah, the pain is already gone now. It doesn't hurt anymore. It hurt a lot when it went in. Like, I would say that was like a solid 6 out of 10. 100% would rather do my septum again, but we did it. So I'm just trying to get all the blood off here. Good thing I'm wearing a black shirt because it's dripping on me. And I thought I had paper towels up here, but I don't. It's so funny how, like, it looks like it's super painful because of all this blood. But I'm chilling. All right, I'm gonna attempt to put the ball on. Hopefully it's easier than it was with my septum. All right, y'all. I got the ball on. Sorry, my hair is like crazy. I'm gonna get ready soon because I have somewhere to go, but there's what she looks like. Cartilage piercings suck. Just gonna say that. That freaking hurt. That one definitely hurt. I still have blood in me. I gotta clean myself off in a minute.